Hi guys, so here we are about to enter a trade right now on a daily time frame on the volatility 25 index. First of all, my name is Ivan Trades and I trade FX and indices. Uh, Currently, we were about to be tapped in inside of this trade, and the reason to take it is that on the daily time frame we were extremely bullish and we were retracing a bit from mm, that exact high over there. So I was expecting the price action to, as you can see, we set this daily low and we are reacting strongly from it. This Sunday is low and we are reacting very strongly from it. So I expect some bullish momentum from here after we are rejecting it, at least to flip this daily candle and touch the two deviation, which is in proximity with an imbalance. We have not yet been tapped inside of the trade, but we are about to. So what I'm looking at is how we are on the other time frames. We do not have essentially something to react from. So a new 1 hour candle just opened and the low that we just swept is this one. So as we are reacting very strongly from it, I expect some bullish momentum at least to reach this 4 hour imbalance right here. You can see it. That's when I will consider closing for position. And as you can see, if you go down more time frames, you can see that on 1 hour time frame, a new 1 hour candle just opened and we tapped a little bit inside of that imbalance, but we did not get our fill. I don't know why this always happens, but maybe I should always factor in the fact of spread. I thought that the spreads on the such indices are very low, but they always cause a problem. You see, we spoke to this low, and on 15 minutes, we made some kind of a change of a character by closing above this high as well as changing set of delivery. So essentially, I do not expect some bearish momentum into this area. That's why my stops is above here. The lowest we can go if we are still going higher or bullish is the midpoint of this week of the six the candle of 6 hour. So currently the hourly candle is just forming a bottom wave before pushing maybe higher, and we will set to break even or close the full position as price action sweeps or reaches this high, exact high, because it is in proximity with it is very in proximity with 4 hour imbalance. So I do not want to rug pull with the momentum. So let's see what the price action does. If it can respect this week, I'm seeing how the price action will react to this week. If it stay above its consequence approximate, at least on this level, we will be okay. As you can see, that 15-minute balance have been completely flipped, and also we have already done putting in the bottom week. If we continue lower than this, we will be seeking liquidity, which means we can even go sweep or run these lows, which I'm not a fan of. I would not like to be part of that trade. So let's just wait and see if price action is indeed going higher or is seeking liquidity on the bottom levels right here. Also, you can expect that price may realistically come and touch this mitigation block right here because it failed to make a low, a new low lower than this one and push the higher, making a change of character. So price might also realistically come and touch this other block because this is the first uh, down close candle. So all things are possible right here. We just have to wait and see where the price action takes us. As you can see, 1 hour candle just made a bottom which side of that bullish imbalance. Let's see if we can push above those highs, relatively equal highs. I mean this one and this one. If we can push above them or not. So after this 15-minute candle closes, I will retrieve my stops to its low right here to minimize the risk because I like to see a quick reaction to my key levels, and whenever the price starts to consolidate, it's a warning sign that it might resweep into the key level or even go below it, which I do not like. When I have a bias, I like it to be respected. If I'm to take that trade, I like to see quick reaction from that uh from that key level in order to know how to manage my position. So let's just wait for the price action to do its thing. So you can see due to this how long this week is, you can see that it is also likely to cause a resistance. So my stops for now will be below it. I trailed my stops to that week. As that favorable gap is balanced, I do not want to see any price back into it. If this high is broken or swept, I will trim my stops to break even fully. Let's go to the high time frames to be aware of where the PDR is, to be aware of R. So let's mark out where the 4-hour imbalance is. So we will be aware of, we will not be too late to close the trade or even take pressure. That is where probably I will close my put position because there is a bearish imbalance which might give resistance to the price. So I might decide to close the trade as it approaches that imbalance right there. So let's see what the price action does. So the price action is starting to consolidate somehow. And on the 5-minute time frame, it's ranging a lot, and I do not like it frankly, but let's wait to see if the price action can at least reach this high. That's when we can do anything else. Otherwise, let's just see. Here the price section is ranging a lot, so I guess I'm just gonna close the trade right here, or at least set to break even to give it some time. And reduce my stops, my TP to this high, and let it run. I'm gonna let the trade run wherever it wants, because it is ranging a lot, as you can see on 5 minute time frame. It's neither going up or down, so let's see. I already set to break even, and let's wait for the final results of this trade. Yeah, we'll see about it. So as you can see, price did not displace above the level that we were planning to take our profit, but it's a break-even trade. Think that it is not a loss. We set to break even a lot earlier. You can see where we entered and where we got out. So the price may still go up over there, but we prefer to see quick price action. So it did not go as well as we wanted, but we did not incur any loss so far. So let's enjoy our day, and if there is any other clear entry, we will take it. Yeah, thanks.